Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing like a video that's kind of like, it's not a usual like normal YouTube video. It's kind of like a get ready with me, but like a kind of a makeup review at the same time of just like your normal like pharmacy or drugstore makeups. So that's what I'm doing today. I hope you like the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, and my next video will probably be just me curling my hair, like a hair curl tutorial, because I often get asked like at school or other places like, oh, how do you curl your hair, and show you how I do it, and then you can, I guess, copy. So yeah, see you guys later, bye.